In this video, I'm going to show you my full workaround on how you can get into the TikTok Creativity Program beta and actually withdraw earnings from it. I've seen a bunch of videos on this topic, but most of them are just straight up false. They're telling you to just use a VPN and create an account and you're going to be good to go. What they fail to mention is that once you do that, you won't be able to withdraw any earnings unless you've provided US tax information. So all of your hard work is going to go to waste. I'm going to show you my full walkaround on how you can make a US-based TikTok account without having social security number, but also be able to withdraw money from it. If you stick till the end of this video, I'm also going to give you a gift, which is a full walkthrough explaining every single step of the way so you don't miss anything. Before we jump into this video, let me quickly explain what is the TikTok Creativity Program. The Creator Fund is basically something like YouTube where they reward you for getting views on their platform. On TikTok, you can get paid around $1 per each 1,000 views you get. Now you might be asking, where's the catch? Good question. This is actually where most people stop and give up. They are the requirements to be able to get accepted into the program. Number 1, you must be at least 18 years old, and number 2, you must be from one of these countries. Oh, and you also need 10,000 followers and 100,000 views, but on TikTok that's super easy to get. In total, there are 2 parts to doing this. Part number 1, you need to create an account that has the TikTok Creativity Program available. Part number 2, you actually need to get accepted and then provide your identification documents or tax information so you can actually withdraw the money out of TikTok. But don't worry, I have 3 solutions for this, so you'll be covered, doesn't matter where you're from. So first, let's start with creating the account itself. Again, there are 2 methods of doing this. One is from your phone and one is from your computer. Let's start with number 1, which is from your phone. Alright, so let's log into the account from my phone. I also turned on VPN from my phone and click login with username and password and type in my password and my username that I made for this account. And when we're in, we can click on the 3 dots on the top right, then click Creator Tools. And now, as you can see, Creativity Program Beta is right under monetization. When we click on it, we can see that it's available, and yeah, we just need to get our 10,000 followers and 100,000 views. Now, method number 2 is actually really similar, but it's done through your computer. Alright guys, so the first thing that you want to do is when you open up your browser, your Google Chrome, whatever, you click here and you click on Add. And then continue without an account. Just type in the name. And what this is going to do is it's going to create a brand new browser profile without your previous cookies or your browsing history. So you're going to start with a clean slate. I already did this, so I don't need to do this. Now, once you've done that, you type in Urban VPN Proxy or any type of free VPN that you can get and add this as an extension to your Chrome. Click here, add. Now, you have this. Click on it and select the country that you want to be in. In this case, we're going to try out with United States. And boom, you are in the United States right now. And you can just check if the VPN is actually connected and if you are in the United States. As you can see, yep, we are near Washington. Now we're all good to get started and go to TikTok, so let's go to TikTok. Your internet might be a little slow because keep in mind that you are connected to a VPN, but don't worry about that. Now what you want to do is click on sign up. Now we don't have a US phone number, so let's just click on sign up with email and write a password that you're going to remember. Click on send code and wait for the TikTok code in your email. Type it in, click next. Alright, amazing. Now, as you can see on your For You page, you already can start seeing US content. I know this video is from US because 7-Eleven is mainly in US, and you can see this is content for US people. If you have created a US-based TikTok account, first you will need to verify your ID, aka you need to verify that you are a real human, and for this step you don't have to worry. The only requirement is that you are over the age of 18, and what you can do if you are not, you can just ask your parents or friends, which is what I did when I was 15 and I was trying to make PayPal accounts, etc. So this step should be really simple if you just put some effort into it. Now once you have an ID or passport of your own or somebody who is 18 years old, you actually need to verify. And now don't worry, you don't need to be from US, or you can be from any country in the world to do this. All you need to do is just have the ID or passport ready and must be 18 years at least. And no, you don't need to worry because the tax information that you're gonna put, it doesn't need to match with your passport. Your passport can be something completely different and the person doing the tax ID can also be a different person. Now, once you have verified your ID, here comes the hard part. You need to verify your tax information. For this, I have found kind of 2 solutions. Method number 1 is that you simply find somebody who trusts you and who you trust, and you need to ask for their social security number or their tax ID. Now, I get it, a lot of you guys might not have friends in the US who would be willing to give out such sensitive information, but definitely go ahead and try, ask, and see, maybe you can find somebody. But if that is completely out of loop here, then we can try the second option. And the second option which I have found is that you can also provide an LLC information to be able to withdraw your money from TikTok. Now, to my surprise, to get a US LLC and register one, it's actually not that expensive. You can do it for about $100 to $200. There are many agencies online. You can browse online and see who can help you set up a US-based LLC. So if your TikTok account is earning good money, I think this is a pretty solid investment that you can try. Now, if both of these options are totally out of scope for you, I have something that I personally use, and that is, in my opinion, the best way to do this. And that is solution number 3, which comes with a little con, but I'm okay with it. Before we go into that, can you guys smash the like button? I would really appreciate it. Now, for the third solution, we have to go all the way back to the step 1, and that is to account creation. When you are creating the account with the VPN, what you must do is select the VPN to be in UK or France or any other European country that is accepted in TikTok Creativity Program. You might be asking, why should I do that? I'm not going to be reaching the US target market, and my TikToks are not going to show up on the US For You page. So that is the little con that I mentioned. But on the other hand, if you do it this way, you won't have to provide any tax information at all. I mean, you will have to put in like your ID and maybe VAT or something, but for the most part, they're not checking that strictly. So you're going to be able to roll without actually having like a social security number, stuff like that, which is really hard to get. So the only problem at the start might be that your TikToks are not reaching the US For You page, but don't worry, you can just simply, what I do in this situation is at the start, I just put location in the United States on all of my TikToks that I post. And once you start growing big, your reels are going to get pushed more worldwide, so it's nothing to really worry about. And overall, I'd rather have this problem than trying to get somebody's social security number, which is, trust me, pretty hard. Now for the last and final step, which is the easiest one, you need to link your payout method, which can be your PayPal account. And now your PayPal account, it doesn't matter where it's made from, you can make it from any country in the world, because TikTok really don't care. You just simply add your PayPal account and yeah, you're good to go. It's gonna get accepted without issues. I really hope that you can find some insights from this video, and if you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll try to help you out. If you want a full walkthrough of all the solutions mentioned in this video and the full method, click on the first link in the description and I'm gonna go ahead and send you an email instantly. Also, don't mind subscribing to my channel if you enjoyed the content here. I really spent a lot of time researching this, and yeah, I really hope that you got value out of this. Alright guys, see you in the next videos. Bye.